हरिः कर्ता।
Welcome to the at an another course from Intuitive Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence YouTube channel. So here we will be looking into statistics and probability. So this is the stepping stone or this is the first step of entering into the machine learning and artificial intelligence related algorithms or projects. So first we will be looking into the statistics and probability. So this course, the name of this course is Intuitive Statistics for You. In this course we will be doing exploratory data analysis. That is one course, and after that after exploratory data analysis we'll do the inferential statistics. Then we'll look into the sampling techniques and theory about the sampling, and after that we'll be looking into the probability theory and the probability distribution. So once the statistics and probability this course is completed, then we will jump into the intuitive machine learning for you course. Okay, so that's the different one. So this course name is Intuitive Statistics for you course, and this course consists of statistics and probability both together. So this under the big umbrella, so under the intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists, in this course under this uh, the following are the sub courses. The following are the sub courses. So under the umbrella of intuitive statistics for you or intuitive statistics and probability for data scientist course, we will have four other courses. One is intuitive exploratory data analysis for you, two intuitive sampling distributions for you, and three inferential statistics for you, and intuitive probability for you. So these are the four courses that comes under the intuitive statistics for data scientists. So now, so what all sub courses that comes under intuitive exploratory data analysis for you? In intuitive exploratory data analysis you will have introduction to statistics, and then descriptive statistics. When it comes to introduction statistics, in that we will be discussing about the sample population and variables, data types, level of measurements. And then we'll be slowly moving to the descriptive statistics. In descriptive statistics we will be discussing about what about measure of variance, measure of central tendency, measure of shape, measures of association. So this is what we will be looking into in descriptive statistics. Once intuitive exploratory data analysis for your course is done, then we will be moving into the intuitive sampling distribution for you course. In this we will be looking into the sampling methods and sampling distributions. Then in intuitive inferential statistics for you, in this we will do some statistical experiments and a lot of significance testing, F test, T test, ANOVA, and G test. So a lot of distributions we will be discussing in this course. And finally, intuitive probability for you. So in this we will be discussing about the probability theory, and then in probability theory various laws of probability. Then we will move on to the probability distribution. So this is what the roadmap for intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists. The name of the course is Intuitive Statistics and Probability for Data Scientists. In this course, again, I'm reiterating, there will be four courses. That's Intuitive EDA for you, and Intuitive Sampling Distribution for you, and Intuitive Inferential Statistics for you, and Intuitive Probability for you. And out of intuitive EDA for you, there are two sub courses. One is Introduction to the Statistics, which comes under which is named as intuitive EDA for you, and second one I have specifically made descriptive statistics. So these two courses combinedly called as intuitive exploratory data analysis for you. I hope intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists course roadmap is pretty clear. So you just follow this roadmap so that you will not have any confusions. I just want to give you a clear cut and complete knowledge at one place. So that is the reason I'm giving this roadmap. So use this roadmap and have a happy learning.